Today, I want to talk to you about how to create Facebook and Instagram ads that will bring people into your Spotify profile. And this seems to be a much better solution for many artists than playlist promotion. Now, a lot of you are sending me emails about playlist promotions, and because of my previous video about playlist promotion and Chartmetric. And something that I didn't mention in that video is that when it comes to submitting music to playlists, it's all about the taste of the creator of the playlist, which means that it has nothing to do whether or not your music is good, it's original. It's just about whether or not the creator likes it. And also, the bigger the playlist, it's mostly going to be more mainstream and more pop music. So if you're making something original or alternative, chances are you're going to have a hard time with playlist promotion on Spotify. So what do you do? Well, from my experience, the best way that you can invest your money when it comes to promotion is to create Facebook and Instagram ads that will slowly and safely bring people into your profile, and this will help you to grow an organic audience of people that actually like your music, and it will also help to educate the Spotify algorithm to bring you new followers and to bring you new listeners. So how do you do that? Let me share my screen. This is going to be a two-part video. On the first part, I'm going to just focus on how to create new ads. And on the second part, I'm going to show you a really cool trick when it comes to using Chartmetric again and Cyanide in order to find your ideal demographics. But let's start with the basics. So you first of all need to have a Facebook page. On your Facebook page, you can go to your ads manager, and then you're going to find this page. So you can create a new page, and then it's going to ask you, okay, what kind of campaign do you want to create? You want to create an engagement campaign. That's where you start from. I'm going to show you a campaign that I already started, just so that you have an idea of how it looks like how a ready one looks like. I think it's easier. So, once you hit click create, you get the first page. So the ad has 3 layers, and you're making Instagram and Facebook ads both from your Facebook ads manager. So it starts here, campaign name. I put the name of the song here. And right here, you have the campaign type, and it's an auction, just like we did before, and then it's an engagement campaign. And right here, we have also our daily budget. Now, this is also something that I get asked a lot. What's a good daily budget? Well, something like $10 a day. Try running with $10 a day for a month. Like, have $300 and see how it goes. Like, also, from my experience, the longer the ad runs, it becomes smarter because this is all AI. It learns what kind of people to expose your ad to expose music to, and then it doesn't waste money on showing the ad to the wrong people. So if the ad runs for a month for $10 a day, should be pretty smart at the end of that month, and then you can lower it to even $1 a day and just let it run forever, and it will already know how to use that $1 a day pretty effectively. Let's go to the second layer of the ad, how is this called? Ad set. So you go into the ad set, and here you can choose what kind of conversion you have. The conversion is like, what do you pay for? Like, what are the results of the campaign? Now, this campaign is already running, so I can't change a lot of things right now, but usually choose website. Why do you choose website? Because if you remember, I made another video, I'm going to link it in the description, about using Hyppedit, creating a Hyppedit landing page that is connected to the ad with a tracking pixel. And every time someone clicks on the ad, they land on Hyppedit, then they click on listen to Spotify, and they go to Spotify. And every time someone went through these steps, so clicking on the ad, clicking on the Hyppedit landing page, and going to Spotify, the landing page from Hyppedit will report to this ad that we created that we have a result. Someone actually went all the way and got to Spotify, and that's what you're going to pay for. That's a result. I'm not going to go too much into this because I already made a video about this, but this is the website that the ad's going to lead to. It's going to lead to a landing page that you're going to use Hyppedit or some kind of smart link service. There are others that I don't know right now. So anyways, here is where you choose your pixel. Usually it shows you the pixel right here on this part of the ad. I can't click on things too much. You can also go back and just create a new one just so that you can see it better. Let's go back, create a new one. Okay, an engagement campaign, whatever. Continue. And then there we go. It opens these things. And somewhere here, but this opens another business. Primary text. Let's go back to the one I had before. This is too complicated. Let's get this one started. All right, here we go. So, engagement campaign, this is the right one. Daily budget, and then go to the second layer to the ad set, choose website, and then here it shows you your tracking pixel. This is the number that you use in order to connect the ad to your Hyppedit page. Continue onwards. So this is your conversion event. This is what the conversion of the ad means. Like the more clicks we have, the more conversions we have. And then we also have the budget and schedule. So actually the budget was on the previous page. I have no idea why they write the budget here, because you can only choose the schedule here. So when is the ad starting? When is the ad finishing? So then we also have our audience controls. So which cities and which countries and which age groups, which genders are going to see our ad. And this is what I'm going to cover on the second video, and I'm going to show you some tricks on how to find this, because there are two ways to do this. One is, I've been doing this for about a year now, and the first method I tried was trial and error, meaning just let the ad run, see who's listening. So go to your Spotify for artists page, see who's listening there, and then every time you're noticing that you're getting some activity on some country, just adjust the countries or cities that you see that people are listening to, and just try to see, try to adjust it all the time. But that means that you need to release a song, promote it, look at the data, adjust on the next song, and you got to keep doing this for a couple of times, like at least 10 times, until you have some kind of demographics and cities that make sense. And on the next video, I'm going to show you a really, really cool trick that I just realized how to do this with Cyanite, that I also did a video before, and Chartmetric. So we'll get back to this. We also have interests. So this could be something that your target audience is interested in. I just use Spotify, but you can use you can add specific genres or something like this. In the end, I like to keep it simple. I just put Spotify here. And then we also have placements. You can choose Advantage Plus, which means Facebook will choose where to put your ads, because it means that the ad could be either on Facebook feed, Instagram feed, Facebook video feeds, Facebook Marketplace. And in the end, if you choose the Advantage Plus placement, meaning that Facebook will choose it for you, it's going to put your ad in the cheapest place where it's cheapest to advertise. It could be that it's going to put your ad on Facebook Marketplace because it's cheap. But think about it. If you're on Facebook Marketplace looking for a new vacuum cleaner, suddenly an ad for a song comes up. Are you going to really listen to it? No, you want to find a vacuum cleaner. This is not the time to explore new music. So what I would recommend is don't choose the Advantage Plus. Choose manual placement. And what I usually use in placements is like, think about places where it makes sense to have an ad for music comes up. So Facebook feed makes sense. Instagram feed makes sense. Facebook video reels makes sense too. Instagram Explore makes sense too. Think about places where your ad will actually get clicks. So that's where you should choose. After you've chosen all of these, you have the third layer of the ad. And the third layer of the ad right here is the video, or like the little promo that you're going to make. So here you can choose the Facebook page and the Instagram page that are going to be connected with this ad. Here's where you upload your video. And if you don't know how to do this, it's super simple. You just take your artwork, you make a snippet of 30 seconds of your music, go to Canva, create a video of 30 seconds from that, and upload it here. I didn't upload anything here yet, but it's super, super easy. You just upload it here. It says manual upload. And right here, you just click on add media, and that's where it comes in. And on this page, you also have the call to action. So this is what the ad will show. Of course, you want to have it listen now, not get quote or learn more. It should be listen now because it's sending people to Spotify. And you also have the website. The website is, in the beginning of the ad, we chose that this is a website. This is an ad that leads to a website. And this is the website. This is the link that the ad leads to. This is going to be your Hyppedit smart link. After you have everything set up correctly here, that's it. Just check everything, make sure your link works, make sure your video is displayed correctly, and then just hit publish and your ad is running. So that's it for the basics of creating a Facebook and Instagram ad. The next video will be a lot more interesting. This was just very, very basic. The next one is really going to show you a trick of how to find your ideal demographics without publishing many, many songs and getting data from Spotify for artists. So stay tuned for the next video.